KTM. With its impressive record of winning 18 consecutive Dakar rallies, it possesses extensive knowledge in creating bikes. Capable of effortlessly tackling the most demanding terrains. By recently reintroducing the 790 Adventure, KTM has further refined an already versatile motorcycle. At the heart of this motorcycle lies a Euro 5 engine, boasting a displacement of 790cc, and delivering a robust 93 horsepower and 64 pounds-to-foot of maximum torque. These power numbers, combined with a lightweight 438-pound frame, offer an exhilarating riding experience, particularly when navigating dirt roads and situations that call for standing on the foot pegs and maneuvering.